Hello student, today we are going to do one more practical session on this same chapter, that is advanced feature of OpenOffice Writer. And in today's video we are going to understand how to insert row and how to delete the row, and one more thing, that is inserting column and deleting of column. After that we will understand formatting of table, that is adding a border into the table, and we can change the color of the border also. So in today's session, we are going to understand this four thing. So first of all, we'll understand how to insert a row or how to delete a row in case of our prepared table. Let's we go and perform it practically on the same software, that is OpenOffice Writer. So student, this was the earlier table that we have prepared in our first video. On the same table, we are going to do our today's task, that is inserting and deleting of row. For that, first of all, what you have to do, you already know that what is row and column. Row is this one horizontal thing, and when we talk about this grade, or either the roll number only, or either the marks, or either the name, that comes under the column. So first of all, you just change or insert the row, number of rows. So you have to go on the row section, then you have to click right button of the mouse. You will get this kind of box. There you have to select row. And what you have to do, you have to insert. So you have to select insert. When you select row, you have to select insert. As you select insert, it will ask you that how many number of rows you want to insert into it. So you have to select 2, 3, 4, or n number of times that you want to insert. Right now I want 2. With this, 2 arrows are given, up and down arrow. You can select it. You can increase or decrease the number of rows that you want to insert in the table. And after that, one more option is there, that is position, before or after. That means where I have kept the arrow, there you have to put the row after that or before that. That means after Ajay you want row or before. So I have selected after. That means after Ajay, 2 more row will be inserted. Let's see whether it does or not. I have to press OK. Now student, you can see that 2 rows are inserted in the table after Ajay, because I have selected after. If I have selected before, then it will be added before Ajay. Like I will show you again, adding the table, adding the row. You have to do row, then go on insert and select 2 or 3 n number of times you can select, and this time I'm selecting before. That means 2 rows will be inserted before Ajay. Let's see whether it works or not. You have to click OK. No, before this Ajay row is there, and before this we will take, you can see 2 more rows added before Ajay. So I hope you have understood this much, how to insert the row before and after. Now we have to do deleting of row. So the same task you have to do, you have to make right click of the mouse, whichever row you want to delete, then you have to go on row, and this time inserting button is not of use. You have to select delete, because we want to delete the row. So you have to delete. You can see that after Ajay 2 row were there, and now after performing delete operation we have deleted 1 row. Again I will show you. how to delete a row, you have to click the right button of the mouse, then go to row, then select delete option. You can see one more row is deleted. In the same way, you can delete this all rows one by one. Look, I have deleted all. One more is remaining. So you have to select row, then go to delete button. So in this way, we have inserted also and deleted also. Both task is done, but in terms of row. Now, student, we have to understand how to delete or insert the column. You have to select any one of the column that you want to delete or insert. First of all, we will perform inserting of column. So I want to insert near roll number. So there you have to keep your cursor and press right button of the mouse. You will get this box. Then you have to select column. This time you have to select column, and the same way you will have a option of insert. You have to click on insert. One box will appear. It will ask you how many columns you want to insert. I want two. So with this up and down arrow, I have clicked up. So the number is increased to 2 from 1, and I want after roll number. So after is already there. Just have to click OK. You can see after roll number, two more column are inserted. Again, I will show you. You have to press the right button of the mouse, go on column, and then insert, select or increase the number of column that you want. And this time I'm selecting before row and before row number. I have to click OK. I can see two more columns are inserted before roll number. So the same task that we have done in case of uh, row, similarly we can do in terms of column also, adding and deleting. Now I will show you how to delete the column. You have to select it, the column that you want to delete, go to column and select delete option. Now you can see two columns were there, now it is only one. Again I am deleting this column. I have to go on column, then select delete. You can see that column is also deleted. I want to delete this. I have selected this two column I don't want. At the same time I want to delete. Let's see whether it works or not. I'll just click right click of the mouse, column, and then go to delete. So look, you can delete two, three, or four number of rows or column at a time also, but you have to select it and then similar task, click the right button of the mouse and go to column and then delete. Whether you are deleting a row or column, that you have to select and then press delete button. Now the third thing that we have to understand how to change the border. Okay. So for that you have to go on table. There you have one option, property, table properties. Okay. So we are going to do task on border. So this is the border. There you have to select the border option, and these arrow are indicating that this number of lines you have selected to change the border. You can change yourself also, like here it is already given outer boundary, then inner line and the between line, this one, all the lines except between line. This you can select all this without changing inner lines. These are the options you can select directly. I am selecting set border, outer border and inner border lines. Okay, so I have selected. This arrow will show you that you have selected, and then you can select the thickness of the border from here. You can select the thickness of the border. I am selecting this one. Then you can also change the color of the border, like it is black in color, I want orange. You can change the color of the border also, and then you have to press OK. So now student, you can see that border thickness is also changed and the color of the border is also changed. Again, I will show you for changing the thickness of the border and color. What you have to do, you have to click on the table, then go to table properties. Okay, then you have to select whichever line that you want to do, or you want to change the thickness or color. Then you can select the line pattern style, and then you can select the color. This time I'm selecting blue, and then you have to click on OK. Now you can see again the border of the table has changed, the thickness is varied, and also the color has changed. So student, I hope you have understood this much. Do it practically and learn. And student, those who are not having their own laptop or desktop, try to watch this video properly and understand it. It is very useful for your computer subject. Thank you student for watching this video.